It's a conservative and straightforward car, while still being a fine and handsome one. It's big for a mid-size car, nearly 192 inches long with a 110-inch wheelbase. That enables 117.9 cubic feet of interior space, a bit less than Subaru Legacy's 119.6 cubic feet. The Passat does very little wrong. It's powered by a fairly peppy turbocharged 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine making 170 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, mated to a smooth 6-speed automatic, with front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive isn't available, nor is a diesel, because of the whole emissions cheating scandal. The more powerful engine is a V6 making 280 horsepower and 258 pounds-to-foot, mated to a 6-speed twin-clutch direct-shift gearbox, or DSG. The 1.8-liter engine gets 23/34/27 miles per gallon city/highway/combined, EPA rated. That's fairly efficient for a four-cylinder turbo, but far behind hybrids from Chevy and Toyota. And still behind non-hybrids like the Hyundai Sonata, 31 combined, Chevrolet Malibu, 30 combined, and all-wheel drive Subaru Legacy, 29 combined. The V6 gets 20/28 of a mile per gallon, which is closer to V6 competitors. Premium fuel is recommended, but regular works. You just get a bit less power and fuel mileage. Those EPA numbers always come from premium fuel when recommended by the manufacturer. The NHTSA gives the Passat 5 stars overall in safety, with 4 stars in front and rollover crash protection. These gives the Passat its top good scores in all of its tests, including the small overlap front crash test. When equipped with optional active safety features such as forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking and blind spot monitors, the Passat is an top safety pick. A poor rating for headlamps keep it from top safety pick plus. A rear view camera system is standard, as is a post-collision braking system that helps lessen the severity of secondary collisions. The 2017 Passat 1.8-liter comes in S, $22,440, SE, $25,495, and Cell, $30,995, models. Also available is the V6 and DSG in SE, $29,295, and Cell, $33,995. There's also a sporty Passat R-Line, $23,975. Unlike many base models, the S is well equipped with 16-inch alloy wheels, VW's newest infotainment with a 5.0-inch display, Bluetooth, a USB port, 6-speaker sound system, fabric upholstery, split folding rear seat. Options include LED headlamps, taillights, fog lamps, and running lamps.